Now what we need to do, we have to place the letters only if the status value returned is empty, right? So here, let me check if here instead of empty, let me specify status just to avoid confusion. Okay. So if status equals empty, okay, then only we are going to add the characters in that starting position. So let me cut this from here and place it here. Okay. Okay. Now what will happen if any of the div elements are already occupied, that particular word will not be placed. Now let me save this and show you what happens. Let me refresh. Okay. See, we are seeing the word cat here, cow here, hen here, peacock here. Dog is not displayed because some of the div elements were already occupied. Okay. Then goat here, lion is not displayed, tiger is here, and duck is here. So as per this, we are not seeing the words dog and lion. Let me refresh. Okay. Let us check again. Cat is here, cow is here, hen is here, peacock is not getting displayed, then dog is here, goat is here, lion is not getting displayed, tiger is here, and duck is not getting displayed. So this time 3 words are not there: peacock, lion, and duck. Let me once again refresh this and show you. See, only 4 words are getting displayed. So what should we do to place the other words as well? I am going to do a simple trick here. Let me have a temporary array where temp arr as an empty array. Okay. And if the particular word is not getting space, why? Because some of the div elements are already occupied. So in the else part, what I am going to do is that I am going to add that word into our temporary array. So temp arr dot push. What should be pushed? That particular word. That is my words of I, right? Yes, my words of I is the current word, and we are adding it into this temporary array. Okay. Then here, while calling the place words function, I am going to pass the array which needs to be placed. So here we are using my words, as we have specified the name of the array here as my words. Here we have the array as my words. So let me pass my words itself so that we don't have to make any changes inside this. Okay. And instead of my words, for this array, let me specify my arr. Okay. And while calling, what should I do then? It should be place words of my arr. Hope you understand what I am trying to do here. I am actually going to pass the array which contains the words to be placed. So here I have changed the name of the array here as my arr, so that for the place words function I can pass it, and inside this function, as I have used my words a number of times, I am specifying the parameter or the argument as my words. Okay. Then here after this, what I am going to do is that let me call place words of temporary array. So we have the words which cannot be placed as the div elements are already occupied. We have added it into this temporary array. That is, if status equals empty, we will place that particular word. But if it is not empty, which means that it is occupied, in that case we are pushing the words, that is adding the words into temporary array. So after calling this function for the initial array, we are having the words which cannot be placed in the temporary array. So I am calling the temporary array here. Okay. Now let me show you the output. Let me refresh this. Okay. Okay, it is giving some error. My words is not defined. It is at line 86. Okay, let me check. Line 86. Okay, here it should not be my words, it should be my ARR, right? Because we are trying to add the words in this div element from the array. So it is my ARR now. Let me try to save this. We might have to make some more lines of code. See. Okay, we are now getting the output. Let me check all the words. Cat here, cow here, hen here, peacock here, dog here, goat here, lion here, tiger here, and duck here. So by just calling the function once again, we are able to see all the words without any overwriting. Why? Let me refresh this and show you once again. Okay. Cat here, cow. Where is the word cow? See here. Hen here, peacock. From here it starts, it ends here. Dog here, goat here, lion, here it is, tiger, and duck. So what happened here actually? What happens here is that when we add the words in the temporary array and call the function once again, it is getting added into the same array. To make you understand, let me have the temporary array here, console.log temporary array. Okay. Then here, after calling the first one, let me write another line, console.log second or end of first array. And now let me show you what happens. Let me refresh. Okay, console. Okay, for the first time, cat is having vertical at 131. So it is placing the word cat here. Okay, then the word cow, it is also placed without any issue. Then hen also placed. All these times the temporary array is actually empty, as you could see. Then when it tried to place the word goat, it couldn't be placed because the position was 89 and vertical. So let me check 1, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, which means 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So this was the starting position for the word goat. Sorry, not 87, 88, 89. So this was the starting position, but as the H was already there, we could not place the word goat, G-O. So O cannot be placed as already H is there. So what we have done, we have added it into the temporary array. Okay. Then it tried with the next word lion, it also added. Then the next word tiger, it also added. And the next word duck, it also added. So with this, the array was over. End of first array. Then we are calling the same function with the temporary array, that is got. So it found a new place 93 and it placed the word there itself.